Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel Inspire Art Thinkings. Welcome to this tutorial on creating an amazing handmade paper wall hanging. In today's video, we will walk you through simple, easy to follow steps to create a beautiful decoration for your home. First, let's take a look at the material we will need. You will need some colorful paper, scissors, glue, a ruler and a pencil. Start by cutting the paper into even strips. The size of your strips will determine the overall look of your wall hanging, so you can get creative here. Next, fold the paper strip in a zigzag or accordion style. This will give your wall hanging a dynamic three-dimensional appearance. Now it's time to arrange your folded strips. Lay them out in a pattern or shape that you like. Make sure to align the edges neatly. Glue the pieces together as you build your designs. For a little extra flair, you can add beads, glitter, or even small paper flowers to your hanging. Just attach them with glue and let your creativity shine. To hang your craft, attach a piece of string or ribbon to the back. Be sure to use strong glue or tape so it holds securely. And there you have it, a stunning handmade paper wall hanging that adds a pop of color and charm to any room. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more easy crafts. Thanks for watching.